In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or change sales tax rates in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in QuickBooks Online to add a custom rate so your invoices and sales form calculate tax correctly going forward. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company. From the main dashboard, move your mouse to the left navigation and hover on all apps. This opens up more options and helps you get to the tax tools you need. Next, hover on Sales Tax. You'll see the tax area appear, which is where QuickBooks keeps all settings related to how your sales tax is calculated and reported. Now click on Sales Tax Settings. This is the control center for your sales tax configuration, including agencies, rates, and how they're applied. Once you're in Settings, look for a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down to reveal management options for your tax setup. Choose Add Custom Rate. This tells QuickBooks you want to create a new tax rate rather than relying only on automated rates. Adding a custom rate is helpful when your local authority has a unique rate, a recent update hasn't synced yet, or you need a temporary rate for a particular jurisdiction or scenario. In the setup window, enter a clear, descriptive name for the rate. Use something you and your team will instantly recognize on invoices, like the city or district plus the percentage. Clear names reduce mistakes during data entry and reporting. Next, select the correct tax agency. This should match the authority you file and remit to, such as a state, province, or local jurisdiction. Accurate agency selection keeps your liability and reports aligned with how you actually file. Then, enter the rate. Type the percentage exactly as published by your tax authority. If it's a whole number, just enter the number. If it includes decimals, include those too. It's a good idea to double check the rate on your government site to avoid rounding errors that can add up across many transactions. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks will add the custom rate to your list and make it available when you create new invoices, sales receipts, and estimates. Remember, changes like this typically affect new transactions going forward. Existing documents won't update unless you edit them manually. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use consistent naming conventions, confirm your agency choice before saving, and periodically review your rates to ensure they match the latest guidance. If your region supports automated sales tax, consider leaving those on for general use and reserving custom rates for special cases. And as always, when in doubt, verify with your tax authority or advisor to stay compliant.